situation. You cannot show your happiness when somebody died. You must be sad. And also, you remember, they got rainy days, yeah, and also sunny days. Normally they said that Sunday is a sunny day. No, we don't believe in that. Rain belongs to Allah. Allah is the one who decides. The weather forecast may say this, but nothing is perfect. Allah who make the final decision. He controls the rain. We don't control the rain. So this is something that we must know. We got raining day. We got also sunny day. But to a believer, every day is a good day. Because they always utilize every day to please Allah. To strengthen their iman, to increase their knowledge. To do more righteous deeds for the believer, because they know how to make use of the day. They always plan for their day. For people who don't believe, of course, it's up to them. What they used to do with the day, sometimes they don't even have any idea about what they're going to do tomorrow. But we have all the plan, not also plan about our tomorrow. Tomorrow is just like, tomorrow is our tomorrow in this world. But we are planning for the tomorrow in our hereafter, here for the hereafter. And you also have so many other days. Today now you come across people celebrating Mother's Day. Alhamdulillah, those who believe in Allah, they don't have to make that celebration at a particular day in a year. Because we love and we respect, we honor, we make our parents happy, we make our mother happy every single day if possible. Not in one day in a year, no, brother and sister. But those who don't have a religion, of course, they got to plan their own day. They have no time for the mom anymore. So maybe they plan only one day in a year to remember their mom. We don't do that, brother. We love our parents. We love our mother. We love to make them happy. We love to give them, if we can, every day, whatever we can give. If you can serve your mother, every day serve them. Like how they serve us, how they take care of us, how they wash us, how they dress us every single day until we are independent, that we know how to do things by ourselves. Without fail. They clean us, they wash us, and they feed us. They do everything for us every day. So there are so many days, but now let us look into the Islamic way of life, the Islamic value about how to utilize all these days in the Islamic way. We want to be an everyday Muslim, not only some days. We are going to serve Allah every day, not only Friday or the Eid day. We are everyday Muslim, brother and sister, remember. And everywhere we go also, we are a Muslim. We do not change our identity. And also now you have Father Day. When you have a Mother Day, then people start to introduce Father Day. If not, that is not fair. You just think of your mother, you forget your father. Now we are dutiful to father and mother every single day, as long as we are still alive. As long as they are still alive too. And now you also have Labor Day. Normally when you have all this day, what do? We have holiday. That's what we do. And what do we do in our holiday? We don't have any clue and any idea sometimes. But Alhamdulillah, for the believer, they will know how to make use of the day to please Allah. Inshallah, brother and sister, we will come back after the short break. Alhamdulillah, brother and sister, we have been discussing about so many days. And also now you have Father Day. When you have a Mother Day, then people start to introduce Father Day. If not, that is not fair. You just think of your mother, you forget your father. Now we are dutiful to father and mother every single day, as long as we are still alive. As long as they are still alive too. And now you also have Labor Day. Normally when you have all this day, what do? We have holiday. That's what we do. But the important thing is how to make use of the days. When people are introducing all these different kind of days and activities for that kind of days, now we don't have to follow people blindly, because there's a different people of religion who follow the religion of Haqq, of Islam. Now they will follow the Islamic value. Do we honor the laborers only one day in a year? No. We should honor them, respect them every single day when they serve us. Our maid, example, our employer, our driver, our secretary. Every day we must think of how to enhance the good feeling in them, how to appreciate their work, their commitment, value them. But in the same time, we hope that all these so-called laborers, employees, maid, helper, driver, cleaner, every one of us, we hope that we give the best service. We can be trusted. We have amana. Remember that every work that was given to you, every assignment that was given to you is an amana. But sometimes, it's very sad to say that a lot of people have not been trustworthy. Now, when you are not trustworthy, brother and sister, the income, the salary that you receive, you may have some problem. Because if you are paid because of your work and you are not doing your work properly, that means you are taking some haram money. They pay you for your work and you do not work. You just rest and you try to go here and there and giving a reason, excuses, and don't come to the office. You come to the office late sometimes when there's a time fixed for you to be in the office. System, discipline is important. Because if you do not appreciate whatever is given to you, then the day will come that you will not be there anymore. No, you will be sacked. You'll be asked to resign. And then the job that has been given to you is no more. You are jobless. There are days you have a job. There are days you become jobless. Now we are just talking about days now. Good day, bad days, raining day, sunny day. But as a Muslim, we are prepared for every day, whatever situation it is. Now you also have the day of peace, the day of war. Sometimes we all want to have peace. But there's a group of people who just can't see us live in peace because they make money through war. These are the business people, big business. So we must make sure that we utilize our day properly. And as a Muslim, there's a very important day that all of us must remember. There is the doom days. For people who don't believe in God, maybe they say, no doom days. They forget. Doom day is hot. It's true. It's going to come. It's coming. It's coming nearer and nearer. You can see all the signs that Allah have mentioned, the Prophet have mentioned, alamatul sa'ah, the sign of the doom day. Now there are two kinds of doom days. One is we die. As an individual, we will die. The day we are born and the day we will die. Because no living thing will live forever. We are going to end our life with death. We are going to die. I'm going to die, you're going to die. Now the doom day, number one, that we will end our life. The day will come, we will end our life. And that day, what Allah said, يَوْمْ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. That day when it comes, and it's sure to come, brothers, it's a matter of time. Time difference. Your children, your wealth, whatever thing that you have with you cannot protect you anymore. If you have all the children who are doctor, heart specialist, eye specialist, lung specialist, kidney specialist, bone specialist, can you imagine one body it creates so many knowledge and job to the people. Even you have all the specialists around you, you have all the tech security with all the camera. When that day comes, you have to go. Death is certain. Death is sure to happen. When we die, there is the minor doom day. That means we are no more here. We have been transferred to another world. Alam Kubur and Alam Barzakh. The world of the grave and the waiting world, Barzakh. That there will be a barrel for you to come back here and also a barrel for you to go to Akhirah, because there will come a day we call the doom days. Every living thing will die, will perish except Allah. And that day is the day that all the believers is waiting for. And that day is the day where all the disbeliever is running away, worried, because they know there's no future for them. If you don't believe in Allah and you die, you are sure to lose, brother and sister. Allah may forgive all our sin except those who commit shirk. He make it very clear in the Quran, whoever die committing shirk, I forbid them to enter paradise. Allah have given us everything, and in return we worship other than Him. This is the greatest sin that a human can do. So we hope that all of us will try to look into these things seriously. Please believe in the true God. Save your soul. Don't regret later on. Don't be stubborn, brothers and sisters. Anybody who are rebellious and stubborn, you are not going to be a winner at the end of the day. You all will lose. What is there to be stubborn? What is there to be so arrogant with Allah? Even if you are stubborn and arrogant, with your parent, you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose the love from your parent, the care from your parent. We keep on hurting them, until they just can't take it. They will just cut you off. And Allah says, I'm going to forgive all of you if you have sins. To Allah, what condition? Don't die. Don't ever die committing shirk with Allah. Man mat, whoever depart from the day of this world, and when he meet Allah committing shirk, Allah say, I make paradise haram for him or her. And in return, I will send him or her to hell. And he will be there, khulud, khalidin, forever, everlasting. So we are here to remind and call upon all the good people who are following this program. If you are not yet a believer, please spare some time and look into this thing seriously, and don't delay. Be hesitant. You don't lose anything, brother and sister, to believe in the true God, to worship the only one God, the Creator, who created everything, who have created Adam, Eve, Abraham, Noah, Moses, Jesus, every single one of us. And that's why all the prophet was sent to remind us about that day. No prophet was sent, even Jesus, Moses, except to remind every one of us, every nation, every tribe. Those were sent to their people, لِقَوْمِهِمْ, about the day of judgment. The day of judgment is a day that everyone will be summoned by Allah, and everyone will have to receive their book, right hand, left hand. When you receive your record book on the right, sign of good result, you pass. But when you receive from the left, you know where you're heading now. The beauty of Islam, brothers and sisters, is that Islam explained to us very detailed about that most important day in our life. That is the day of Qiyamah. The day of Qiyamah is a day that every one of us will be resurrected, and we have to stand in front of Allah. Nobody is allowed to sit. Like today I'm sitting in front of you, you are sitting following this program, but that day there's no sitting. Every single soul will have to stand. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prepare us for that final day. Amin ya Rabbil Alameen. Wabillahi tawfiqi wal akhir da'wana an alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.